How to make Google Form not require sign up. First, open any browser on your device. Then search for Google Forms. Open its website. Tap on Sign In to sign in with your account. Once you are signed in, open the form. Here appears the form. Go to the Settings. Open the Responses section. Scroll down a little. Here, head towards the Require Sign-In option and make sure that is toggled off. By toggling this off, the form will accept the response without signing in the responser. Now on Publish, save the form, then move your cursor here. Click on it to copy the URL address and paste the copied URL address on the browser in which no any account is signed in. So I open here the guest mode on Chrome, pasting the link here. The form is opened. After filling the form, click on Submit. The form is submitted without requiring sign-in. That's how you can make Google Form not require sign-up. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. That's all for the video, and see you in the next one.